Today we discuss about the hybridization and geometry of xenon tetrafluoride. In the xenon tetrafluoride, the central atom is the xenon atom. First, we will discuss about the electronic ground state electronic configuration of xenon atom ground state. Ground state electronic configuration of xenon atom is 54. Xenon atom is 1:2. Electronic configuration is 1:2, 2:2, 56, 3:2, 56, 56. Then 4:2, 4:2, 3:10, 4:6, 4:6. Then 5:2, 5:2, 4:10, 4:10, 5:6. So this is the ground state electronic configuration of the xenon atoms. Total 54 electrons. That is atomic number is 54. Then these are the number of electrons. It means the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons is equal to the its atomic numbers. Then the outermost electronic configuration of the xenon atom is the outermost electronic configuration of xenon atom is 5:2, 5:6. Here two electrons are present, that is in the outermost cell 5:2, 5:6. Then here number of electrons are 6, and the outer orbital is the d orbital. In the d orbital, that is 1 to 5 orbitals are present in the d subset. Then 5 orbitals are present. And this is the vacant orbital. Then the after excited state, the 4 unpaired electrons are found. One of the electron is transferred to this p orbital, 5p orbital to the 5d orbital. Another electron is transferred to the p orbital to the d orbital. Then in the excited state of electronic configuration of xenon atom is here 2 electrons are present. There 5, 4 electrons are present. That is 2 electrons are transferred to the these are the 3 paired electrons are present. It means that 3 lone pair. And what happened in the excited state? One of the electrons present in the p orbital transfers to the d orbital, and this another electron transfers to the d orbital. Here formation of the 2 unpaired electrons are present in the p orbitals, and these 2 unpaired electrons are coming from the p orbital to the d orbital. That is the here 2 unpaired electrons are present in the d orbitals. It means that total 4 unpaired electrons are formed. 4 unpaired electrons are formed. This is the 5d orbital. Two unpaired electrons are present, and here total number of electrons will be present in the s orbit is 2 electrons, and here 4 electrons are present. Then when the four fluoride atoms are attached to the xenon atom, then the here the electrons are present, and this is the unpaired electron, and this bonding with the one of the fluoride atom. Then in the d orbit, two unpaired electrons are present. Unpaired electrons are present, and these electrons are on the fluoride atom, and formation of the 4 sigma bond or this covalent bond. Then this is the 5s, 5p orbit, and 5d orbit. Then in this case, the mixing and recasting of the recasting of the 1s, 3p, and 2d orbitals hybridized from sp3, d2, hybridization sp3, d2, hybridization sp3, d2, hybridization. So this is the hybridization of the xenon tetrafluoride. That is tetra, it means that 4 fluoride atoms are attached to these, 4 unpaired electrons are present in the xenon atoms. And then the structure of the xenon tetrafluoride is what are the 2 lone pairs are present. Two lone pairs are present. That is, one of the lone pair is present in the s orbit, and another lone pair is present in the paired electron is present in the p orbit. That is already just we discuss about. This is the image there. These are the bonding electron. 5s, 5p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5d, these are the 4 fluoride atoms. It means that here in this case 2 lone pairs are present and 4 bond pairs are present. To discuss about the structure of the xenon tetrafluoride is this xenon atom is present at the center, where one of the lone pair is present, another lone pair. This is the lone pair. that is only two lone pairs are present. Two lone pairs are present. These are the bond pair. These are the bond pairs. That is four bond pairs. Formation of the covalent bond. These are the four bond pair, and this is the square planar. And one of the lone pair is present above the plane, another lone pair is present below the plane. The geometry is the square planar. That is here two lone pairs are present and four bond pairs are present. These four bond pairs are lie at the equatorial position, and two lone pair, one of the lone pair is present above the planar and another lone pair is present below the planar, and these bond pair of the four fluoride atoms are lie at the equatorial position and formation of the square planar. The geometry is the geometry of xenon tetrafluoride is square planar. Then the bond angle between these is 90 degree. Bond angle between the fluoride, xenon and fluoride is 90 degree. So this is the hybridization and geometry of xenon tetrafluoride molecule. Hybridization and geometry of xenon tetrafluoride molecule. And the hybridization is sp3. Due to hybridization, geometry is square planar, and the bond angle between the two fluoride xenon and fluoride is the 90 degree. So this is the hybridization and geometry of the xenon tetrafluoride molecules.